Hello, everyone, and welcome to 5 Questions with Health and Wellness Facebook Live. My name is Kasturi Xavier. My pronouns are she, her, and I'm a health promotion and community liaison with Health Promotion at Health and Wellness. I'm thrilled to be joined by my colleague Amy as
Thank you, Cass. My name is Amy Fang. My pronouns are she or her, and I'm a registered nurse here at Health and Wellness Center. And thank you all for joining us today.
Whether this is your first year or you're returning to UofT, we want to welcome you to the university and congratulate you on a great start to a new academic year. We're here to provide an intro to health and wellness by answering 5 questions you might be wondering about as you navigate the start of the school year and how health and wellness can support you. Amy, let's start with some basics. The first question is, what does health and wellness do and offer?
Health and Wellness provides a range of health services for your physical and mental health, as well as wellness programs and information to help you thrive at UofT. We have an entire team of interdisciplinary professionals, including doctors, nurses, dietitians, psychologists, psychiatrists, psychotherapists, social workers, administrative support staff, and our health promotion team that work together to support student health and well-being. You can come to the Health and Wellness Center for things like allergy care, vaccines, gender affirming care, and support with any sexual health needs, including medical abortions. We also have a wide range of mental health supports and services, including on-location mental health counselors located throughout campus. Our website has a bigger list of service offerings, which can be accessed at healthandwellness.utoronto.ca. If you have any questions, give the Health and Wellness Center a call. We all know that UofT's campus is spread out, so we can find us at 700 Bay Street at the corner of Bay and Girard. Before we go into specific services, Cass, let's go to our second question, which is, how do students make an appointment at the Health and Wellness Center, and what can they expect?
If you're not already a client, you can quickly get set up by calling the Health and Wellness line at 416-978-8030 and then extension 5 for mental health or extension 2 for medical appointments. You'll be connected with one of our friendly medical receptionists who will walk you through the process. Once you're set up as a client, you can make appointments right away by calling one of the clinics. Depending on the appointment type, it could be in person or virtual. We'll confirm this when you book and include this information in your appointment reminder. If your appointment is in person, the process runs just like any family doctor's office. You will arrive at the Health and Wellness Clinic and check in, either with the reception staff or the self-check-in kiosk. Remember to have your health card and T card for check-in. A lot of students also ask about wait times, and I'm very happy to share that we have same-day counseling appointments for mental health issues and a same-day medical clinic for urgent physical health issues. These services are available Monday to Friday. Both of these options provide quick access to support for mental and physical health issues. That's a lot of information, but the key takeaway is that it's an easy process to register as a client, and we offer many types of appointments to support you.
That's right. Our reception staff work hard to make sure you get the support you need as soon as possible. Our third question is one that many students may ask through their academic career, which is, what types of mental health supports are available for students? Now, the first thing to know is that there are many options available to you. One of these is the peer support service. It's opening on October 1st, and you can chat with a trained health and wellness peer supporter for however long you need. Support is offered in a one-on-one drop-in and a non-judgmental manner. It is on campus and online, so no appointment is needed. All the peer supporters are UofT students like you who receive special training to provide immediate emotional support if you're struggling with your mental health. Or if you have something you want to talk about, like family, friends, or relationship issues, or just the stress of being a student. They can guide you through challenging situations like whether you should drop a course or how to bring up an issue with a roommate by role-playing conversations and helping you write a tough email. They can also help connect you to other services on and off campus. You don't need an appointment. You can simply come knock on a door at Robarts Library anytime between Tuesday to Fridays from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. They're also at the Engineering and Computer Science Library on Wednesdays and Student Commons on Thursdays. And if you're not on campus, that's no problem. Visit the website uft.me/peer support and click the link under virtual peer support to connect with the service via Zoom.
Amazing. Thanks, Amy. With peer support expanding their in-person offerings to 4 days a week at Robarts this year, it's a great resource for students across campus. We've also made mental health support more accessible through health and wellness by offering both same-day counseling and on-location counseling to students. If you need mental health support from counselors at the Health and Wellness Center around a specific concern, you can call a clinic and book a same-day counseling appointment, either on the same day or scheduled within a few days. From there, you'd be connected to counseling for immediate concerns, a conversation about resources and next steps, or a combination of both. While you may only need one session for support, you can come back to access further support or discuss something new. As mentioned earlier, we've also made services accessible by offering on-location counseling at embedded sites across the university. Each location provides brief counseling for students registered in that particular faculty, department, or college. Appointments can be made through Health and Wellness or through your registrar, depending on your college. That being said, there are many ways you can take care of your mental health outside of our clinic. One support we offer is workshops. A series we regularly offer students is the Better Coping Skills workshops. These sessions can help students that struggle with overwhelming thoughts or emotions and want to develop strategies for everyday life. You can register for a single session, the full series, or health and wellness or other health and wellness workshops on Folio. We also offer tailored versions of our workshops that speak directly to the experiences of racialized students. The next offering is How Do I Calm My Inner Critic for East Asian, South Asian, and Southeast Asian students on October 8th, which you can register for on Folio.
That's awesome. Thank you, Cass. All these resources lead nicely to our fourth question of today, which is, what do I do if I'm not sure what resources are right for me? We've covered a few options. Know that there is no wrong choice. You can start anywhere and pivot to where it best suits your needs. It's true that there are a lot of resources at UofT, and having options is great, but it can also be overwhelming to figure out where to start. One way you can explore your options is by using Navi. It is an online chat box that helps you find mental health resources at UofT, as well as other supports, including admissions, financial aid, careers, convocation, and more. Just tell Navi what you need help with. Maybe it's I'm having trouble sleeping, or I'm worried about my exams, or I need someone to talk to. And from there, Navi will share different programs, services, and resources that can help you. You can also visit mentalhealth.utoronto.ca, a tri-campus resource for mental health information, services, and supports. You can view a catalog of helpful resources, check out upcoming events, and build your own mental health toolkit that's tailored towards the most useful or appropriate resources to support you. If you prefer to speak to someone one-on-one, you can also call the Health and Wellness Center and request to speak with a wellness navigator. or drop in to the peer support service on one of its service days to get help navigating options. Both of these options are available at no cost and can help to connect you with resources, services at UofT and in the broader community. Our fifth and final question that students may have as they return back to school is, how can we best take care of our physical and mental health as the school year gets underway?
That's a really good question. The beginning of a new school year is a great time to think about what you need to stay healthy and which wellness practices will work for you. One thing you can start with is incorporating healthy habits. They can make a big difference to your mental and physical health. A few healthy habits include one, sleeping well. We should all aim for a consistent schedule with 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. This will help you retain information, give you energy, and enhance your mood. Two, stay active. Even small amounts of physical activity can help you feel and function better. Sport and Rec offers drop-in sports and activities such as basketball, badminton, volleyball, lane swimming, and more. You can also keep an eye out for nature walks the Healthy U Crew, Sports and Rec, and other campus partners organize throughout the year. And lastly, take a moment to breathe. University can be a lot sometimes, but exercises where you focus on your breathing can help manage stress and even anxiety, especially if you're feeling overwhelmed with schoolwork. Proper breathing techniques can also help you relax and recharge. Two of the workshops we offer, Breathe Well and Sleep Well, can help you learn how to incorporate healthy sleeping habits and breathing exercises into your daily routines. They are starting again on September 30th and October 1st, and you can book your spot on Folio now.
I may be slightly biased because I'm one of the facilitators for Breathe Well and Sleep Well, but these are both fantastic opportunities to learn some ways to relax and de-stress. Another way of taking care of your health is by building community and connecting with others. The Healthy U Crew helped to organize a social connections event this summer, and they have more events for students coming up. Subscribing to the Health and Wellness newsletter is a great way to learn more about events we organize, in addition to checking out Folio for opportunities to connect with others.
Speaking from past experience, starting a new year at university comes with rewarding and beneficial experiences, but it can also present new challenges. I remember feeling overwhelmed around making new friends and finding the courage to connect with new people. But when I did make meaningful connections, it made all the difference. Even class tutorials became a great opportunity to connect with others that have a shared understanding and experience, even if it's just about an upcoming deadline.
One other way to take care of your mental health is to talk to someone and reach out for support when you need it. It can seem daunting at first, but I promise our peer supporters and counselors would be so happy to listen and support you. Sometimes just sharing or processing an experience or emotion with others can be helpful and can help connect you to further support you need.
Incorporating healthy practices, building community, talking to someone, and reaching out for support when you need it are all great ways of taking care of your mental and physical health. Thanks for joining us today to learn a bit about health and wellness. We wish you all the best to a great academic year. Don't hesitate to reach out to us.